Allied Blenders and Distillers made a strong debut today, listing at Rs 320, a 13.87% premium over the IPO price of Rs 281. Though the listing gains missed grey market estimates of a 20% premium, the interest was sky-high. The Rs 1,500 crore public offer was subscribed 23.55 times, with investors bidding for over 92 crore shares against an offer of 3.93 crore. Non-institutional investors purchased 32.40 times their portion, qualified institutional buyers bid 50.37 times, and retail investors subscribed 4.51 times their allocated shares. The Officer's Choice whiskey maker raised Rs 499.1 crore through its anchor book, with investors like Societe Generale, Goldman Sachs, and LIC Mutual Fund.